Hello, Frederik here. Today we're going to have a look at a very simple piece of exercise equipment. It develops and strengthens the forearms. It's very simple and easy to make, so let's jump straight into it. Really what it is just a stick, or it's a reasonably thick stick. This one is about 40 millimeters or a little bit more. Then, in the middle of it, I've drilled a hole and I've taken some cord or string, put through the hole, tied a little knot so it doesn't slip. At the other end of the rope, I have a carabiner, and you could just attach the carabiner to the end of the rope. I have a little device here. I think it's some kind of, it's from maritime sailing, I should say. And it's quite useful to just attach the carabiner into so it doesn't wear out the rope. You don't have to just attach the carabiner to the rope if you want to. So this whole thing altogether is called a wrist roller, and I'll show it in a second with my trusty bucket. But what it does is you will roll the wrist roller, and you will roll the weight up using only the forearms, and that will give you quite an incredible pump in the forearms. It's more on the hypertrophy side than pure strength per se, but it's really good for the forearms. Yeah. Quite obviously I'm standing on something. If you choose to do the wrist rolling just standing on the floor, you'll probably find that there isn't enough height to really get a lot out of the motion before you have to reverse it, so do stand on something if you can. The other thing is, as much as possible, try to have all of the action coming from the forearms, that is to say the hands rolling, so try to keep the elbows out of it as much as you can. May not be possible to keep them entirely straight, but do try. The other thing is here I'm also reversing it down, so I'm rolling up, and then here, as you see, I reverse the motion and control the descent of the bucket in this instance. And it does add something to the whole thing to have the eccentric component as well. So, simple tool to make, a simple drill, and you probably have all the things, or you can get them in short order, and it won't cost you a ton. And it's really good drill to get a really good pump in the forearms, and it's a simple addition to basically any workout routine you already have, and it won't take a ton of time to do this drill. You'll only need a few minutes before you really start to feel it. So have a play with it, let me know what you think, and thank you for watching.